Hi, hi YouTube. This is Miss Foreigner, one of my YouTube channel. And by the way, uh, auntie, auntie. My auntie is the sister of my father. My auntie helped me to support me in my need, especially in uploading the video. Then here I can use free Wi-Fi. I want to help her also because he is a widow.
Yeah.
Then uh, she is blind. She is blind. Hope that help us. And before she is not blind. Why she is blind? Because before her work is uh, she is drug user. And when she get
The use help. Di ko mamonetize mo.
wala pa naman. When she get in jail by the police, she renew his life. She changed his life, her life, and she promised in the police that he never become a drug user, and she find a job as a she find a job as she find a job as a dancer in the club. Reloibod. And there, she cannot sacrifice herself because there are many drunk in the club. She can't dance. In the club, there is a riot. And my auntie, napagan in the riot. And she accidentally hit by the bottle of the beer, and that's the cause of her blindness. Uy, pa-blind. And now my auntie want to talk to you just to support my